Hello and thank you for joining me, Peter Knego, and MidShipCinema's latest quick video clip. I'm on Emeraldcruises EmeraldAzzurra, and we're going to take a quick walkthrough of Deck 3.
First off, let's call this a preliminary first look, since many of the ship's furnishings and artwork are stuck on containers waiting to be delivered, thanks to the COVID-caused shipping crisis. Our walk begins in the Amici Lounge, which can seat all 100 guests. From here, we enter the reception area and continue aft to the main staircase, which has 2 lifts that go all the way up to Deck 7, as well as a beautiful staircase that's lined in mirrors. Next up is the La Cucina dining room, which has an open galley and a buffet area in its center, as well as pleasant indoor nooks of seating, including an indoor and outdoor terrace that overlooks the ship's wake. The yacht-like EmeraldAzzurra was built in 2022, is 360 feet long, and carries a mere 100 guests and 68 crew. Thanks for walking with me and watching, and please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. Bye for now.